Hi all, Darren from DA Components. I'm just going to talk about the new Edge range of brushes available. I've been getting a few questions on how the jets work. So I just want to go in a bit more depth of what the options are available. So we have this 35cm dew point brush, genuine bristles set up, and it has this lockable swivel, and it's also attached to the angle adapter, which all these angle adapters are all generic, so this swivel will attach to your pole of your choice. So we come down to the actual jets itself. What you will find in the Edge range brushes, it actually has molded in jets already into the brush stock. Now those are called V jets. So you're going to have a V jet there, and you're going to have a V jet there. So in theory, on the 35cm brush, you will have 2, 4, 6, 8 V-jets already set into the brush stock, ready for your job. So what we do have is additional jets you can add to the range. You can have a fan jet, a pencil jet. You can even have a V-jet again if you wanted to, or we have a four-way jet as well. Now there's a couple of different arrangements you can have with that as well. So for argument's sake, I'm just going to switch the Univalve on, one of the best products in the industry in my opinion. I'm going to pull the Univalve and I'm going to show you how the V-jets work as standard across the range. And you've got your V-jet 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's how the 35cm brushes will come when you switch it all on. So then you've got the option of adding different jets which push into the brush stock into these little holes here. And on this occasion, I'm going to show you, you can have a V-jet on whichever side you want, and then I'm going to unclip the hose and push it into a different jet there, which is the four-way one. So I'm just going to turn the Univalve off. On this instance, I'm just going to pull the inside one. I'm just going to push it into the four-way jet. I'm just going to pull the other side off. I'm just going to push it into the four-way jet. So now I'll have the option of a V-jet on the outside and a V-jet on the outside of this side, and then I have a four-way jet here in the middle, so you've got a little bit more water. Obviously these jets are not pushed fully home to the brush stock because it's just a demonstration. So I'm just rigged up to my van system, and it's the V16 DA controller running off an Aquatec pump, and I think they're about 5.5 litres per minute. So I'm just going to switch the Univalve on, and then we'll demonstrate this arrangement which is available in the range. So now what you'll see now is you can see V-jets either side, because that's where I've got it plumbed up to in the brush stock. But now these additional jets here, which is the four-way pushing jet, as you can see, there's 4 coming out. Obviously I need to line them up because it's just for demonstration. So now I've physically got 2, there's 4, there's 6, there's 10, and there's 12 jets there coming out of the actual 35cm dew point bristle brush, genuine bristles. So I'm just going to switch the Univalve off, and then if you really wanted to, it can be done. You can have all these extra jets pushed into the brush stock, so then you'll have a range of different jets, but they can all be working at the same time. Now we come to the extreme of adding all the jets to the Edge brush range. So what we have here is obviously the 35cm dew point genuine bristle brushes, and I've actually put pencil jets in each of the brush, and I've also got the V jets which are already molded into the brush stock. And what you'll find is I've added 3-way T connectors, 4 3-way T connectors. So now I will actually have, believe it or not, the V jets going in each jet in the brush stock, and then I'll have on this occasion what I've actually fitted is pencil jets. So now I'll have a pencil jet going as well. So theoretically, once this is switched on, you're going to have 12 jets coming at the end of the brush. Now you've got to bear in mind that you've put all this on top of your brush. There's going to be occasions where you ain't going to get behind your little balconies or anything like that. But if there's some really dirty windows or long panes of glass, solar panels, PVC cladding and stuff, this might come in handy. But you've got to bear in mind again, this is going to add weight to the end of the pole as well. And then the flow rate's going to be totally different as well, because I'm going to switch it on, and it's obviously running off a V16 and it's on an Aquatec pump. And this time I've got the controller set at like 85 just to check. So I'm just going to switch the Univalve on, and then you'll see it in action. But this is for the extreme cases, and this is a couple of questions that have been asked. Can I run all the jets at the same time? It can be done, but you just got to be mindful of for your application for what you need. So I hope you found this video interesting, and I've actually answered a few questions that have been asked. And yeah, I'm really excited about the new Edge range, because you can customize whatever jet range that you would like. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see them on the website very soon. And also I'll be taking them to the cleaning show in April. Thanks a lot. Darren from DA Components.